Add an additional armrest to your sofa or love seat that gives you a cup holder, but it's this section that's really special. This armrest comes with an adjustable wireless phone charger that will also wirelessly charge some tablets so you can scroll or stream from your device. This armrest also has a tray table accessory you can rotate 360 degrees, a reading lamp with 2 brightness settings, and a fan. And the middle section is great for additional snacks and holding your remotes.
If you hate cleaning your microwave as much as we do, you need this vented plate cover. It prevents messy splatters, pops up and collapses down for easy storage, and is even dishwasher safe.
Keep your closet organized with this expandable acrylic shoe organizer that requires no tools to put together and folds down in an instant. These hanger connectors are perfect for keeping sets together or organizing outfits for the week. This pack of acrylic purse hangers keeps your handbags from creasing or bending. And these hangers allow you to organize 4 times as much clothing in your closet with its space-saving design.
Keep your bedding organized with these cube organizers that fold. They fit twin to king size sheet sets, and you can also use them to hold blankets, duvet covers, or towels. For easy identification, use a label or use the window display to see the color and pattern of your sheets. Linking them now. Have a great day.
This desk lifts up and turns into a vanity in seconds with an LED touch light, a built-in power strip, lots of space on the inside to keep your items organized, and when the top folds back down and turns into a desk, there are 2 large drawers to organize even more items. Countertops organized and dry with this instant dry sink organizer. The set includes a toothbrush holder, mini organizer with a lid, and a catch-all tray that can also be used as an instant dry soap dish. This over-the-tank toilet paper organizer is perfect for small spaces and rental friendly. This corner organizer lets you maximize vertical space on your bathroom counters. And this heat-resistant silicone mat turns your bathroom sink into usable counter space, and it's super easy to store. This shower curtain doesn't require any shower rings, and the shower liner easily snaps off to wash the curtain or change out the liner in just a few seconds. This rental-friendly gadget rotates 360 degrees and gives you 6 roomy cabinets for extra storage of products, shoes, and clothing, and comes with a full-length mirror. And this automatic trash can slim design is perfect for small spaces. This stainless steel water bottle is leak-proof and doesn't add any bulk to your bag. This key fob cover instantly elevates your keys and comes with a matching keychain. Keep the bottom of your handbag clean with this gadget that rolls around the bottom of your bag as you use it, picking up dirt and crumbs. It's washable to use over and over again. This gadget instantly cleans your text screens without using a cloth or a spray. And this gorgeous phone case comes with a wallet and mini mirror that detaches to use all on its own. This aesthetic laundry basket lets you easily separate your light and dark fabrics. Each basket has handles to easily carry and a helper handle at the bottom for easy emptying and refilling. This 2-in-1 iron and steamer hangs in your closet to easily remove wrinkles both horizontally and vertically right from your closet, and comes with a cable organizer built in. And this space-saving ironing board completely folds in half and has a pop-out storage unit to hold your iron or steamer. This super compact portable drying rack can be opened and used anywhere in your home or outside. The 17 expandable arms allow you to place the hangers or drape clothing items to dry. You can customize the arms to perfectly drape larger items or to customize this gadget to fit any corner of your home. And it only takes a few seconds to put back together and takes up minimal space in your home. This is the world's largest Lazy Susan that can hold up to 8 dishes so guests can easily grab their food. Each tray is heat resistant and acts as a trivet for both cold and hot food. You can also use the trays individually when not hosting, and everything snaps together in a few seconds. And this non-slip tray table snaps onto most couches, giving you and guests more table space.
This over-the-sink drying rack takes seconds to set up, saving you counter space, and it also can be used to wash fruits and vegetables and doubles as a cooling rack or trivet. This rechargeable gadget makes washing dishes or your hands easy. Just fill it with your favorite soap, and it will dispense the perfect amount of soap each time when you place your hand under it for a hands-free operation. This oil container allows you to save money by making it possible to reuse your oil or baking grease, and has a removable stainless steel mesh filter to remove crumbs and debris from your recycled oil. This 8-piece non-stick pot set is stain resistant and made of eco-friendly materials for safer and healthier cooking. They are all built with an induction-ready metal bottom that heats up fast and evenly, is easy to clean, and suitable for all cooktops including gas, electric, and ceramic.
Amazon June bestsellers: extendable drawer dividers to keep your drawers organized, disposable waterproof drain stickers that keep your shower from getting clogged, this water bottle pouch that straps on and holds your necessities, this space-saving laundry basket that pops up and collapses down for easy storage, and these buttery soft and stretchy bodysuits that remind us of skins.
I have been seeing these all over my TikTok, so I knew I needed to try them out. These air pump containers are perfect for your lotion, foundation, serum, and so much more. They are also great to store your beauty products in while traveling.
Amazon Travel Must-Have. This is a weekly pill organizer. Just open the giant pill and twist to add your medicine or vitamins, then close it back up, put it in the case, and pack it away. Perfect to carry while traveling.
Need a fun way to cut your pizza? Then you need this axe cutter. This is one way to ensure your pizza is always excellent. The cutter is also dishwasher safe. If you
mini rack comes with mini hangers for earrings and can hold up to 16 pairs. This device suctions to your mirror so you can style and dry your hair with both hands. This wand clicks into a sponge that allows you to disinfect your toilet and toss the sponge away. This timer has 6 options to turn off your appliances after the desired time. And this magnetic holder picks up all of your bobby pins in just one sweep.
Large storage containers are designed to fit perfect underneath your bed and have wide double-sided openings for blankets, sheets, or your favorite personal items. They even have wheels on the bottom to make sliding under your furniture a breeze. And these organizing bins flip open from the front or pull out like a drawer for quick and easy access to your belongings. They're stackable and great for tidying any space in your home.
This ultra-light and portable folding table is waterproof to take with you anywhere this summer. It has a built-in cooler so food and drinks stay cold, a snack holder in the middle, and the table has 4 cup holders on each corner, and it collapses in the compact carrying bag when you're done.
Maximize space in your bathroom and keep your counter organized with this Q-tip box that comes in multiple colors.
This compact and lightweight sleeping mat has a built-in foot pump, allowing you to inflate it without electricity in less than 2 minutes, and it easily deflates when you open 2 air valves and roll it up. This 2-person sleeping bag comes with 2 pillows and can be split into 2 individual sleeping bags when needed. This expandable shelf is renter-friendly as it doesn't require you to drill any holes and is really easy to install. It can hold a ton of weight and can be used as a clothing or a drying rack. It's also perfect for hanging your brooms and mops.
The look of your ugly tin trash can with this stylish cabinet that has a hidden bin compartment. It comes with a built-in electric deodorizer and in many different wood colors to match your kitchen cabinet, and you can even use it for dirty laundry thanks to its removable hamper. Dispenser that has a built-in spray bottle to easily clean any surface and for convenient storage. It even comes in a mounted version and in 4 different colors to match your kitchen. Next are these 5-in-1 mixing bowls that have a strong non-slip base, a lid for grating, shredding, and slicing, and a rinsing colander that nests perfect into each bowl. Pet dining set has a hidden storage compartment to conveniently store your pet's kibble. It's dog and kid proof thanks to its lock latch, which also seals the food fresh. I love that it keeps everything in one place, its aesthetic white finish, and its ergonomic raised design.
If you have limited counter space in your bathroom, this silicone mat is the perfect solution. It rolls right over your sink to provide extra space for all of your products while you're getting ready, and it's even heat resistant. These wall-mounted dispensers are great if you're looking to declutter your shower. It has separate canisters for your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You can refill them from the top, and they're also removable from their base for deep cleaning. And lastly are these towel hooks that fit right over your shower door.
Trash bin attaches to the cabinet door and conveniently opens from both sides. It has an inner bin that's removable for easy cleaning. It also comes with an adhesive hook to attach it to any flat surface. And this non-stick pan comes with a removable handle that makes it easier to wash. The handle also has 2 lock positions, and the lid requires no lid holder.
Shopping and running errands easy and fun with your own super lightweight shopping cart that you can configure 3 different ways. It fully expands out, comes with a reusable box for groceries and errands, is designed to go upstairs to easily put items away, and is super easy to store in your trunk. Thanksgiving or a party, you'll want the world's largest turntable built for dining room tables and kitchen counters. Each tray is heat resistant to act as a trivet and also non-slip so food stays in place. This gadget takes less than 2 minutes to put together, and you can expand it to add even more trays. Entertaining this season has never been easier.
If you don't like to touch the toilet seat lids, then grab this set of 2 lid lifters. Simply remove the stickers off the adhesive and place on whichever side you like. You can sanitize the lid tabs as needed.
Amazon favorite. This flexible bamboo tray sits over sofa arms to securely hold drinks and snacks, or make this a large tray that just rests nearby you on the sofa to hold a lot more items. Keep organized by placing items that easily get lost on this couch tray.
This steering wheel tray is only to be used while the car is parked. It's perfect for those that work from their vehicle or those longer car rides. There's 2 sides, one for your meal. It also has a spot for your tablet, and then the other side is perfect for things like your planner and your laptop. Lots of color options.
This 2-pack of oil and vinegar dispensers measures out the perfect amount of oil up to 1 tablespoon for mess-free pouring every single time. They also look beautiful displayed on a counter. And this collapsible silicone popcorn bowl makes up to 15 cups of popcorn in just 2 minutes. The popcorn is delicious, the process is completely mess-free, and the bowl is dishwasher safe. Link in bio to shop.
This coffee pot holder is completely customizable and can be attached to your kitchen cabinet. You simply use your coffee pot of choice to measure out the strips, and then you can add as many as you need. Next up is this weekly vitamin organizer. It has a magnetic top, which allows you to twist a container and dispense the vitamins into your hand.
This rotating dispenser has 6 compartments, and each you can fill up with about 2 pounds of small grain. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can easily rotate it to the grain that you need. I also like that you can dispense grains from the side.
Two-piece lazy tool set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. They are made of high-grade silicone and heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply rest the tool on the edge of the cookware so drips stay in the pan and off the counter.
Prevent the top of your paper towels from getting dried food and soggy with this acrylic paper towel topper. It fits all paper towel stands and simply wipes clean. And dim the brightness of electronics by 60% with these dimmer stickers. They easily peel off and don't leave a residue.
This 3-cup bamboo utensil organizer is a great way to display your flatware. These caddies ensure easy reach during events. The flatware cups can sit together on the tray or be taken alone to the table when needed.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
Don't want to make holes in order to hang your curtains? This curtain rod expands to the exact size that you need, and then all you do is remove one of its ends and slip on the curtain. Lastly, you bring it into the window and secure it in place. It's incredibly sturdy, and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors.